I've been muted this entire time. Dang it. Nothing of value I really said. I was just saying, getting chat set up, getting everything configured. How embarrassing. It's okay. It's only like my 8th time streaming. Anyway, what I was saying was, actually I completely forgot. Not a big deal. Yeah, I have a coffee, however you pronounce that. If you want to support me, you can do so. Actually, I should probably post the GitHub, the breakout. I did post the GitHub for the breakout, so yeah, you can get that there on the Ko-Fi, coffee, whatever, however you want to pronounce that. Cool. Right. And yeah, so I think that's the bookkeeping. All the bookkeeping we need. So we're gonna go back to our end this RPG. So over this week, oh, my hands are really dry. This week, let's see, I fleshed out the battle state. I can't remember if we made that on stream last weekend or not. Camera. Good. It doesn't look level. It should be fine. It should be fine. Not a big deal. Anyway, yeah, I can't remember how much of this we got done last week, but anyway, I like stuffed a bunch of stuff into the character. So RPG character, I know I kind of wanted this to be like a battle and an overworld thing, but that's kind of like future proofing. We can reason about that later. Right now I'm just focused on the battle itself. So is defending is something that we can do during battle. So that's why that's there. And then animation lerp data is all that data that we had for the animation. I might be able to reuse this for defending, because for defend I just kind of want you to scale up and scale back down real quick. Okay, there we go, there we go. Sorry, I'm adjusting my desk and everything. Having this microphone here, I have one of these, and it's just like right in front of me. I don't know if that's like good or not. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. Sorry, setting it down like spiked the volume. Sorry about that. So, let's see. Oh yeah, I'm starting early because I might need to end early. I might need to end around 3, a little before 3, just because I have some stuff going on shortly after that. So yeah, sorry, everything's on YouTube. I have VODs on the YouTube, and then VODs for Twitch will be here. I don't think I gate that for subscribers, because that's kind of, at this point, that's kind of just scummy, but yeah, so we have our lerp data. I think all of this data, since we're ping-ponging for all of these right now, I think we can just have animation lerp data. We'll think about sprite sheets later. I kind of just want to take what we had, what we got last Saturday, and then stuff it into these function pointers, and we'll go over those in a second. So yeah, I basically just fleshed out all this. I guess that's what I'm using. Fleshed out all this and got the function pointers to compile. However, we're not using those, so that's what we're going to do today. So a lot of this state, we still need all of that information up here. So like we need to know like who's the current and who's the target. I guess one important thing that I changed, and everything else is just 8, so I'm kind of burping. One thing that I got rid of is this is no longer like an array or a collection. I just have this as a pointer, thinking that we'd have some list of enemies. I don't want to think about that right now. We're just going to have 1v1 battles, similar to Pokemon. We might change that later. That loud for everyone or just me? Okay, we'll keep it like that, I guess. So yeah, it's just 1v1 right now. So this is no longer a pointer to a list of, or an array of enemies, and then we just have a player position, enemy position. We have animation data, delta time. Again, I'm not thinking about like organizing any of this. I just kind of stuffed data in here for whatever we needed for the function pointers. And the whole point of the function pointers is to see how I like the structure of that program versus keeping state. Because we'll need to, for like upkeep and like pull input and animate action, process action, end turn, like all that stuff, we'd still need this information. It's just now instead of setting a state and then coming back and processing that state, we just know what state we're going to. So we're just going to change the function pointer. The disadvantage of that is they all have to have the same method or the function signature. So you're limited, like basically everything has to be stuffed into battle state, which you don't necessarily have to do here, but you still need to store the data somewhere, right? So like oftentimes that's just going to be the battle state or some other thing. So I don't know. We'll see how this feels. We'll get this working and then we'll see how it feels. So the other thing is the structure. I guess I could forward declare these, but again, just didn't want to think about that. So here we clear the character pointers. I'll explain that after I explain the rest. And then this is that same function before. I just moved it up here. This is the same interpolation function that we had before with the old stuff, and it still works with the old stuff. Actually, I guess I can just show that. Right, and so all this still works. Right, and then he comes by and does the stuff, and then I defend, I take 1, enemy dealing 1 damage after defense. So this all works, just as it did before, and it's not using these function pointers yet. We still have to do those, but let me explain real quick what I did. So process attack is at the end, and process defend happens at the end of this chain. Oh, that's right. Okay, so I handled that. I handled that with the target. So now we just kind of know at the processing action stage, we just know what it is, and then here we need to do no, that's not what we want. Figure out who is next turn. And we can do that pretty simply. I'm going to explain it first and then we'll go through that. We're just going to look at the pointers. So yeah, this is how we process attack, this is how we process defend, and then we'll set these different, again, like, hold on, this might be a scam. Hit these scams, dude. These scams are not good. Super annoying. Oh wow, that was quick. Sorry, I have to check bank accounts. Not doing that on stream. Good. Good. Hold on, I can't like talk and think at the same time. Okay, everything looks fine. It's that scam that's like, it's just like a robot call, right? And they're just like, this is both Visa and MasterCard. So first, dumb red flag, and it's just like a text to speech. It's not like someone recording this. It's just like a recording, and it's like, this is Visa and MasterCard alerting you about your account, not any particular account, just your account. They're saying you have a charge from Amazon for like $200 some, and then one from Wells Fargo for like $3,000 or something. And they're like, if you accept these charges, simply hang up. If not, stay on the line. It's like, one, if there was fraud department, like they would contact, like a human would contact me directly and tell me like my specific account and verify my identity. I've had this happen before. So they're not going to send you an automated thing. Two, you never have an account that's both MasterCard and Visa. It's just one or the other. And Visa and MasterCard don't care. Like they're not gonna contact you directly. Like it's gonna be whoever you have the card with. So like, I don't know, like Wells Fargo or like Chase or your bank or whatever, they're gonna contact you before like Visa or MasterCard is ever gonna contact you. Gotten that a couple times. They're always pretty funny. There's always that what if though, of like, oh, what if this is like actually important, and then you call and you hang up or you answer and then they're like, oh, we're a scam, like obviously, and you're like, okay, I know this is a scam, but like what if they actually charged my shit? So then you have to check all the bank accounts, like, okay, there's no charge, perfect. I'll check it Monday, and if Wells Fargo drained my account for some reason, I'm gonna act a fool. Where was I? Okay, so yeah, we have the processing, and that's at the end of the thing. And so like the reason why we're doing these function pointers is because we can, when we change state, we can make this a little bit bigger so you can see. Oh yeah, we'll get that guy in. There we go. Maybe I need to move over. Is that enough for my hands? Yeah, it is. Perfect. Okay, sure. We'll have it awkwardly like that. I should add some decor. So this is just a lamp. Gosh, this is very, very awkward. Anyway, yeah, you guys can just take a little peek in my living room. That's okay. The only reason why I had that, oh yeah, so like I'm on Linux, and for whatever reason I don't have the probably need the AMD Pro drivers, but like oh no, the background blur system that I use, or the background green screen removal tool that I use, uses AI to do that, and I think it uses the Microsoft DirectML to run GPU accelerated like neural networks. So I obviously don't have that on Linux, so it runs all on CPU, and I'm worried that that causes my system to be unstable and crash. I don't know, I'm just guessing, but that's why I don't have that anymore, and you guys get to peer into my room. Oh yeah, I also thought that was like the professional thing to do. Just I'm a professional streamer, so I have a green screen, but I don't have a green screen. I don't have money for that. That's a loud fucking car. Okay, so here we're gonna like show like, oh yeah, like we animated the attack. We know that after we're done animating, like we can come back and process the attack, right? And animate defend, we don't have this yet. We're gonna do this here in a little bit, but so like right now this just goes immediately to defend, and it says players defending, and then okay, cool. And then here we wait for player input. So this is the entry point. We don't. I got rid of the upkeep and then like the end turn stuff. We'll add those later when we need it. I just kind of want to see the again. I want to see the structure of how this works. So we wait for player input and then decide enemy action. So we're gonna fix this and then we're gonna actually properly switch turns. But and it's done in this order again because we need to reference animate attack and animate defend, and this will also reference animate attack and animate defend. So we need to declare these at the end of the other declarations, and then these, the animate functions, needed the process attack, process defend. So that's why it's kind of in this backwards order, because I had it flipped or inverted or flipped. I had it flipped, and then compiling it was like we don't know what this is yet. And I was like, oh yeah, that makes sense. So I think I could do like function pointers, but I don't really think. I think defining it in this way doesn't make sense like as a reader, but like it's not that complicated. Hopefully the cognitive load isn't going to be that great. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is I think we're going to do this, and I'm going to finish this, which is just real quickly going to get a random number, and based on that number, it's just going to pick one or the other, and then ship it off. So yeah, this should be pretty easy. So we have, maybe I should go full screen. Okay. B-split? Yeah. We're gonna go up here to our structures, and then, so yeah, you see on the other side, current equals the pointer of state.player. Okay, so this should mean that we are currently, that is the player's turn. So the player just processed the action, right? So now we need a switch. So like our new state is going to be, oh no. So we might have to forward declare. Shoot. Yeah, no, I see. Yeah, no, we're gonna need that. Okay, so we at least have to forward declare those process functions, or the action, process actions, or not process actions, whatever I call them. Okay, I should block my screen out around here. Oh hey, hello. Yeah. Oh, you hold it up. I see chat. I can't see chat. Sorry, I'm just bad at reading chat. How are you, Natasha? Oh, someone's following me. Thank you for the follow. Okay, so state. Yeah, so I have it in my like chat. I'm just like looking in OBS chat. So like there's like an overlay. So I'll just like look up every once in a while to there. Maybe I should have it in pop-out windows. I don't know if I would see that more visibly. Maybe I should make chat bigger. I don't know. Let's see if can I make chat bigger? I don't know if I'll see it. I probably just need to get better at reading chat. 900. Oh, that doesn't really change anything. That doesn't change the text. So we're gonna go to decide AI turn, or decide enemy turn, I think is what I call it. Decide enemy action. Do that. That's not declared. So else, I don't know why. I don't know what is causing that to happen. I don't know if that's the so after an else, like it'll format like this. I don't know if that's neovim or if that's the clang D or something. I don't know. Now we're gonna do wait for player input. Did I say player? I should really make those consistent. Wait for player input. I should probably do like wait for enemy input. Okay, and so now we need to remember how to forward declare and see. Oh, that kind of sucks. Maybe I shouldn't have chat overlay. Oh, I can't see timestamps. All right, popping out chat. Hopefully I'll pay attention to it more. Up and down headlines. Popping up and down. What? Oh, that's a Oh, I hate this fucking website. Okay, so you just do the method signature. That's what I thought. Okay. So I think we can do battle state function. And then go down. And we're going to yank that. Oh yeah, I should explain that. Okay. Does that compile? No. Oh, that's right. Where is that? Oops. Wrong direction. I'm paying more attention to chat. Sorry for ignoring everyone before. I wonder if I could play a sound anytime someone chats, like most chat messages do. That might get annoying. I wonder if I could. I wonder if I can have OBS do it, but it only plays in my ears, and it's not captured with desktop audio. That might be cool. Oh, and then we need to do that same thing here. Maybe this should be a function. Actually, let's make sure we can compile. We can. Oh yeah, I also fixed that too. I'll explain that. It's less important. Oops. Build. So times. I just had time here, and it timed nothing, so it always said 0, 0, 0, 0, and I was like, wow, that's really fast. And then I was like, oh, that's probably not correct. So now I do times, and I don't know what these are. I think it's like system user and like something and then real, right? I think like this whole thing is user probably, and then this whole thing is user, or this is system. The top one's user, this one's system. And then, yeah, I don't know. I don't really know. And then like this one is, I don't even know. I don't know, but we don't take that long to compile, so it's not that big of an issue right now. When that grows, then we will look into what those numbers mean and how to get them go down. Okay, so this all compiles, this works. Oh, no, we need this. So we're going to, there was a random, I did random ones, where was that? I think that was for the defense. We're gonna go back to, okay, that's one of these. Get random value, and that's inclusive, yeah? Both included, okay. It could be like 1 or 2. I think that'd be fine. Oh, maybe I should copy that. Copy that floppy, where did it go? Get random value, cool. So we do int, action, and then that, and then just 1, 2. So if action equals whoops. I was programming in Go, and you don't need parentheses in Go. This is just gonna be attack. Do I want else if? Maybe. And it's gonna be defend. So I guess we can just, oh no, we need to set up the enemy attack and all that stuff. Okay, so let's do, we're just gonna copy this. Because this is the same, only flipped. Oh. How did I yank? Okay. Oh, did I do Control V? That's not what I wanted. Alrighty. So start pose is going to be enemy position. That's going to be player position, and then enemy position is the thing we're editing, and then current is going to be enemy. Target is going to be player. And if action is 2, this is going to be defend. So that's just state. Current is going to be enemy. Equals enemy defend. Once this works, we'll make an enemy defend. We're just going to scale that up and down. Oh, I should just make a timer, like a 15-second timer that just pings my ears. And then I'm like, oh, look at chat, look at chat, look at chat. That'd be good training. I think I did something similar with, I don't know if it was a metronome or just some timer when I was trying to get good at StarCraft 2. And I think I had a timer for whenever I was played Zerg. So whenever I needed to inject on a hive, have the queens do an injection on the hive. I forget how long it takes. I think it's like 8 to 12 second cooldown or something like that. Maybe it was longer. Anyway, I had like a timer for like, oh, you need to inject. And then I would like highlight all of my queens, like go to each base, and I would be like, all right, do your injection. So yeah, maybe I should do that to help train. Looking at the chat. Okay, so everything's done except for the enemy defend. That just goes to process immediately. That is okay. I'm also thinking we're probably going to need this information, depending on how scaling works. That's probably information we're going to need to store. Shoot. How are we drawing that? Maybe we wait and get sprites before we do that. Oh, I already have sprites. Sick. I already did that. We're just loading. Yeah, we are. Oh, sweet. Look at that. That was pretty easy. I thought we were still using texture or rectangles. Probably want this because I want scale. Oh, and that's just a float. Okay, so we can't use the exact same data. We'll probably make a scale that we store. So I don't foresee, oh, well, maybe, that sucks, pro. Yo, why does this not have, that sucks. Why doesn't this have scale? I assume the rectangle is like for if you want to animate sprites, you would use the rectangle for like the UV coordinates for the system. But then you can't actually like scale. Oh, destination. That's weird. Origin. Rotation, color. Oh, because you can skew probably. Because yeah, I think you could, it doesn't have to be a rectangle then, or it could be like a slanted rectangle or like shrunken or misshapen. I guess it's not a rectangle, but oh, maybe it can't because you don't define the points, you just define the start and the width, and then the origin is only for rotation, so we probably won't need that. So I guess the rectangle destination. Okay, so that encodes both position and scale. The destination. So if we wanted to, sorry, I'm like thinking in the future, which is definitely not what we want to be thinking about right now. But yeah, for now, I think this is usable. We're just gonna use this. But like once we add sprites and we want to like play an animation, like a sprite animation, then we're gonna need something different because we need to be able to. I believe this is the way. I guess we could leave it like this and just have each sprite be its own image. It's not like atlased or anything. That is one way to do it. I think we can also do on the CPU end, load an atlas and then give it, and like maybe make sub images. That's getting way ahead of ourselves. Yeah, we're just gonna keep a float for the scale. Okie dokie. Okay, let's add that to, no, sorry, I'm so sorry, getting way ahead of ourselves. So we're gonna not do any of this, and then we're gonna start using our functions. Because we need to test that out. And so current state. It's just, I guess, the player's turn. Wait for player input. And then, oh shoot, okay. So the easy part is just this, right? We just call it current state with the battle state. Oops. Right now we need to go up here and we need to make a battle state. I called it battle state, didn't I? Just gonna clear that, and then I think here. Oh, I wonder if I can do this. Yank. Oops, too many backs. Battle state doesn't have any bools. Don't need any of that because that's now in our animation lerp data. We do want the attack button on here. We do want player position. Whoops. Whoops. Yank. P. Alrighty. And then we need to update delta time. That's on battle state now. Again, not organized. Not organize anything. Just getting things to work to see if I like the structure. And yeah, so that should be all that we need. Assuming it works. It does not work. I wonder how I can initialize. How do I like reinitialize a struct? No, initialization is a one-time occurrence. Initialization occurs only when you create as well as assign some values to the created object at the same time, i.e. in one statement. Oh, you forgot you didn't hit shift. Once the object is created, you can only assign new values to it. In short, you can realize. Okay, well, I mean, sure. That makes sense. So this is failing. I assume this is failing because we initialize battle state, and because battle state is a part of, or because RPG character is a part of battle state, that counts as the initialization. Even though we initialize this battle state, like all of these get initialized as well, which makes sense. Right, because especially since how we did it, we just did the 0 initialize. Right. So if I wanted to, I think I could stuff all that in there, but I don't like that. So I think what should I do? Probably gonna make a function to initialize, so like a constructor basically. Pretty sure structs can have constructors. blah, 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 blah. Okay, we're just gonna make our own constructor. We're gonna put it at the tippy top. The tippy top? Or the somewhat tippy top? Oh, I should commit. I didn't commit all week. So we're gonna do a void populate RPG character. I'm gonna take an RPG character. And then we're gonna do int health and attack and defense. We're never going to be able to set is defending when we initialize. So here we're just going to do health, health, attack, attack, defense, defense. If we have time today, we're going to actually use defense value for is defending or defending process. What else do we need? Vector 2. We already have a vector 2 initializer, I believe. Or let me check actually. Like an update. Can you just make an update for me? I guess I can just do X, Y. Ugh. Thinking about this, probably wasn't worth making. I don't even know what I'm looking for. The texture and triangle to be used on shape drawing. Oh, that's cool. Probably should make sure that it compiled. That's okay. Y equals 200. 20. Alrighty. Y equals just 75. Excellent. Okay, I think that's all of the stuffs. Okay, oh yeah, and the other issues that we had is that now we're using stuff that doesn't make sense. So we actually need to draw the battle state. Actually, that's probably just going to be all of what I do here. Whoops, whoops. Oh, okay. Probably don't need all of that. P, P. It's fine. Attack buttons. Oof. Yeah. Compile? No. Unused variable, unused variable, unused, unused, unused. Cool, perfect. That's what we like to see. Up. Boop, 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 boop. Actually, this whole thing, right? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, well, we fucked ourselves out of that one. I wonder how. We could probably just check what the pointer is, right? So we can probably just see if the current state is animating, is either of the animating. And process, because those are the only two things that take time. We might be able to click at a frame earlier than what we normally would have. Oh, but then again, we'll be able to click, or it looks like we can click when it's the enemy's turn. Oh, I guess we can check who current is. If current is player. Yeah, we could do if. Okay, so if current is not player, or the current state is one of the animating states. Is that just one big or? here, we're gonna keep this. So we can now check battle state.current, which is a pointer. If that does not equal battle state dot player, and we need the pointer of that, not the actual, whoops. And then, or our current state equals animate attack, I believe. Oh, our current state equals animate defend. Then we're dark gray, otherwise we're not. Alright, let's see how broken this is. Okay, well I cannot do anything, so that's not good. Oh, that's right. I don't set target or anything until I interact with something. Shit. Uh-oh. How do I wanna... So attack though, okay. Oh, that's right, because we set him to null. Ooh. Wait, I defended and they attacked and they took damage. Hold on. When I attack, they didn't take any damage. So I took damage. I defend. 48. Oh, they took damage. Oh, okay. Oh, we have a bug. We have a bug with the damage dealers. Oh, I think I probably confused current and target. I'm probably doing that incorrectly. Let me go fix that. And I have no idea how to fix our UI issue. Maybe we don't do fancy stuff right now. That is my watch reminding me to stand. So when we deal damage, process attack, target, so that should be current. And then target health is less. And then if current is okay, yeah, I think that's fine. Actually, am I calling the null at all? Oh, I'm not. Okay, well, huh. Whoops, I almost quit. That was destructive. Hold on. I think I hit F1 on accident. Okay, we're gonna get rid of this for a little bit. Whoops, that was the wrong button. Okay. Attack. Okay. Oh, it just chose to defend. Okay. I didn't take any damage. Okay, there we go. That takes forever. I wonder if there's something wrong with my interpolation code as well, because I don't think it should be taking that long. Do I have to get kdebug out? I was also thinking here, we might just be able to call process attack, right? And then process attack just won't do this stuff where it goes next. You know, and I think animate defend currently is going to look similar to this. We'll leave it. I'll leave it. It's fine. It just seems like this takes a while. So here's a cheap way to do it in 0.5 seconds. Not probably the best thing to do. Oh, let me compile it. Wow, that's freaky fast. Yeah, but like it, I don't know. That feels weird. It looks like it is back at the position, and it sits there for a little while before it like goes. So I don't know. Maybe lerp is working correctly. Maybe I messed something up. But hey, we got the function pointer stuff is working. It looks like I actually need to get water and take a break. Let me open up GIMP for the sole purpose of just, yeah, okay, cool. Doing that. Shift B, no, B. Oh, I think it's like P. Oh my gosh. B, R, B. That looks super blurry. I like Milton better. All right, I'm gonna walk and get water. I'll be back in a few minutes. I remembered to unmute myself. Just remember at the start of the stream, I was talking for like 10 minutes, but I was muted. Yeah, no, it was good. I got some water, I went to the bathroom, got some lotion on my hands, because now I can't hold my glass, it is slipping. That's fine. Okay, we made it. We made it. Don't worry, everyone. Yeah, so let's get back into this. What were we doing? How do we erase in this? Shift E? Because that makes sense. Shift E. Why do you not have... Okay, and then we go back to P, and it's still this giant size. Alright, I really want Melton. We can install, cancel, we're just gonna realize we might need a whiteboard. I think we're gonna animate defend. So type def, whoops, scale data. This is going to look basically exactly the same. Again, we're not worried about data too much, or like more how we organize our data. We're just kind of stuffing them into structures to like see how the flow of the program works, see if this is malleable, see if we can add stuff to it, like animations and different abilities, and see how cumbersome that is. See if I like this way better, or if I like the state machine switch case way of doing things. So this is going to look very much like the animation lerp data. So we had a scale for drawing textures, we had a way to get scale, and it was a float. Okay. I was going to write an end, so that is good that I just checked. Start scale, I assume that's just going to be 1. Destination, float, scale. It's weird. Oh man. Okay. Time bool back from target. Literally the same shit. So we need to change the name, which sucks. Maybe we won't. Animation scale data. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that for now. What is animate sprite doing? This is just call that function. Okay, we probably don't need that. And then raylib has a scale or a lerp. Yeah, just a normal lerp. Few floats. Okay. So we're gonna do it a different way. I think we call it state anim scale data, and then that scale dereferenced scale. Do I want to do it like that? Whoops. Blurb and state scale data. Where does it start? Oh no, it's current position. Okay, so scale. Oh, I need to dereference that, and then state value. Oops. Okay, and then now we do the logic. Scale data time greater than equal to 1.0. Music died, oh no. It does that sometimes. I know why. I'm just not going to say it out loud. Okay, and so now we can get rid of this down here. And then now we're going to ping pong. Or I guess pong, because we've pinged. Now we're ponging. I like how I'm doing this at the end. Start scale. Okay. That should be it. Does it blend? Cool. That doesn't work. Oh, we just crashed. Oh no. Oh, I didn't set anything up. So yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, now we need to do all of the stuffs. Let's see here. Whoa, not that. We need float, players, scale, and then I'll float, enemies, scale. Oopsies. And scale data. Start, scale. This is player, scale. No, we can just make that bigger, right? That doesn't. We're not going to a destination. We just need it to be a bigger number. It's 1.5f, I guess. And then that is fine. Not start scale. We want scale. Okay. And then yeah, current is fine. Cool. Okay, that's not too bad. P. Oh, oops. Do that. Scale. The back. Oh, I got the R. Okay. Cool. All right. So let's see if we crash. We didn't crash. We also didn't animate. Oh, because we're not drawing it. Okay, so we might be working. We're just not using it when we're drawing. Draw texture. Was it EX or was it Pro? EX. Okay. Copy this. Go over here. Whoops. player's right position, rotation is 0, and then battle state, player scale, and then tent. And here we're going to do the same thing, only with the enemy scale, also white. Okay. Oh. No. Okay. Oh. We don't initialize that. That is 0. Okay, cool. Get big. Fuck. Can we do anything? Does it just get stuck here? Alright, we're running a key debugger. Have I not debugged this at all? Oh, it's a one click. Okay. Uh-oh. Why didn't you load everything? Oh, because the frickin'... Okay, hold on. How do I stop? That's one way to stop debugging, I guess. Can I change your... Because the problem is that it's not loading those textures because the path or the execution, yeah, like the path of execution is the current working directory is in the binary folder, which in here we're in the NSRPG folder. I don't know how to argument working directory. There we go. Go up one. Yeah, that. Choose. Alrighty, let's see if this one's. Yay! These just aren't working now? Uh-oh. Okay, well, let me go to, oh, it is working, it just didn't bring the front. Okay, so let's see. That's not useful. Oh. Scales 1, enemy scales 1. What is this at 1.5 time? Scales a pointer 2. That, I assume that's player scale. Now, what has changed? Nothing. Am I doing this correctly? Am I actually setting the value? Am am I not adding time? I'm a professional. I'm a professional. Hold on. Continue. Oh. How do I continue execution? Out. Run to cursor, step out, step over, step into. Oh no. Oh. Because it's in a loop? Oh, run just reruns? Huh. Okay. I hope the rad debugger is on Linux soon. What is this? Oh, okay, that's fine. I like how this is a window, right? I wonder if this is because it's an X11 like process and it knows that, or if like KDebugger is just kind of odd. But it makes an X11 like output window instead of just like putting the window, like the output window, like in here, like in any of these windows, like every other debugger does. I don't know, maybe this is nice. I just think it's weird that it's an X window, X11 window. Okay, anyway, we're not gonna debug it, we're just gonna run it and assume, oh, nope, I'm dumb. Oh, I'm double dumb. I don't think I compiled. Does this work now? Okay, yeah, it does. Oh. I mean, that's not exactly what we want, but I think it'll be fine. Okay, can you please just... There we go. See, like at the end, it like waits too long. I don't know. I don't know how the lerp function is working. Well, I guess the real, so like, because it should be 0 to 1, right? It's just a scale of like what percentage you are between A and B. Oh, you know what? I think I'm doing the dumb. I think I want start. Actually, yeah, I think lerp is incorrect. Let's go. I'm a professional. Well, this might not be broken. Yeah, okay, it is broken. Okay. I think we're gonna get rid of this and we're just gonna do random data position equals vector to lerp. The problem is that the input of start here, we can gimp it, I guess. How do I want to explain this? Okay, so if we're going like 0 to 1 and we're linearly interpolating it, right? We have like these ticks. So like normally how you would do is like you would say, okay, like 0 is the input, 1 is the end, and then time is the thing. So these are terrible numbers. I don't want to do this anymore. So we're going to do like 1 to 5. Sure. Then t, right? And so as t increases, so if t is 0.5, then it's the result of that is 2.5, right? If t is like 0.6666, then it's 3 or 3 point something, whatever, right? It's a bigger number than 2.5. And then if t is 1, then it should be 5. The problem though is that instead of doing the start, which I intended to do, and the end, I'm passing in the current value, which the current value is whatever the last frame's value was. So instead of just these being constant, this value is increasing with this. So I think we're appearing to get to 5 way sooner, but like it becomes like an exponential like curve where we like approach the destination until we're like close enough, basically. And that's because we're feeding the thing that we're changing into it. So that was a mistake on my part. Really what it should be is like position or whatever value we're changing. P equals this constant P. But like what we are the start position, the end position, which we have the data for. The problem is though that I did this, whoops, 5. I could draw with my mouse. Right, so this is what we happen. So like iteration 1, this would be like t like 0.016, right? And so that would be like, I don't know, like point something, 0.002. But then when we come back in, instead of going from 0 to 5, we're now going 0.012 to 5, and then t is like 0.3 or something like that, 0.03, right? And so then it just gets off, and then as t increases, instead of it being linear, we accidentally made it exponential, I think. Oh, let me move that over so people can see, I guess, a little bit. But yeah, this is what we're gonna move towards. This is what I had. So yeah, let's do that. We're also going to get rid of that because that didn't really do much, and then we're going to get animation data. That's not a pointer. And then we're going to do start position, I think. And that might need to change some things. I think I need to change start position. Oh, because I saved start position so I can go back to it. Okay, so I didn't intend to do it this way. I, for whatever reason, thought that the way I had it was the correct way, and that was a bug. So, what we need to do here is I think we need to change. We're basically gonna switch. We're gonna flip those two values. Yeah. So we're gonna keep okay. Because we're ping-ponging, and we want to go 1 to 5, and then once we're at 5, when t is 1, we want to go back down to, we want to go back from 5 to 1, so we need to swap these two, right? So that's basically what we're doing now. Then we need to fix this as well. Wow. Let me, excuse me. Oh. Just Just make sure that works. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's linear now. Look at that. Oh, get big. Let me. What? Oh, hey, thanks for the follow. Dead Brain 52. Same. That's fitting after all of the mistakes that I've just made. And it doesn't look like we need this. It looks like the compiler figures that out. I was worried that it was gonna like dereference state or something. It's going good. How are you? Just fixing some interpolation issues right now. And we got the defend animating. Yeah, sometimes your brain just doesn't think that well. That's okay. Good, good. I think that starts scale. Destination. Then we need to do the same thing over here. P. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'm not the best person to ask, but I've never really like understood tutorial hell. Because usually when I do things, I'm usually really bored of like tutorials, I guess. And I don't want to do what they're doing. I want to do, like, I have something that I want to do and I just need to learn enough to like do that. So when I watch tutorials, like I will just figure out the current thing that I'm trying to solve. I think that's a little bit better to have like, yeah, like I just hate like slogging through tutorials and just like going through stuff because I'm just like, oh man, like I would rather just like do the thing that I want to accomplish or like solve the problem that I want to solve. So yeah, I mean, there's definitely an upfront cost to learning things where like you just kind of hit a wall and you're just like, more tutorials because I don't know enough. But yeah, just keep going, keep slogging through it. Good. Yeah. There is light at the end of the tunnel. You can definitely get out. And what was I trying to say? Yeah, like you can, once you start getting proficient enough, you can keep going and start doing your own stuff instead of just copying some dude on YouTube or dudette. And we need to set the start to the destination. And then we set the destination to the temp, to the stored value. Those are cool emotes. I don't dance. Does everyone have those? Oh, Twitch Global. Perfect. Okay. Now everything feels slow. That's fine. Maybe we can fix origin next. What time is it? Yeah, I need to. Oh, is this completely just negating? I need to debug that. I bet that, well, actually that's what I said I wanted to do. So let's just do that. I'm thinking of how I want to do this, because I want to use the defense value instead of just like multiplying the damage by 0.7. And I probably don't want to make it so you completely negate all of the damage. So I guess I could do like a max of 1 and whatever. Maybe, I don't know, should we negate damage? So what does that defense value mean? Because attack is just, okay, a range. Okay, do we just do that? A range of how much we negate with a floor of 1. Sure, that makes sense. Why the fuck not? Mitigate random value current defense. Wait, no, we want target. We want the target defense. The target's defending. Oops. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna set damage to the max of 1 and damage minus mitigate. Hope I spelled that correctly. And then we're gonna log this. How do I do a log? I forgot. Is it trace log? Yeah. Oh, perfect. That's the exact log that I want. Awesome. Yeah. You have fun doing whatever you're going to do, Dead Brain. If you're bored ever and you want to go on my YouTube, like all my VODs are there if you want to catch up on what I did today or the stream before. But yeah, you have a good one. Oh no. I did mean F max. You are correct. Oh, it's a stalemate. Okay, like just attack me though. Okay, I will attack you. Oh, that did so much. 7 damage still. Okay, we need to print the rolls before. Debug. Format, mitigation, amount. Hope I'm spelling that correctly. Okay. Okay, damage format 1, mitigation amount 1, damage dealt 1. Okay. Damage format 7, mitigation amount 1, healing 6 damage after mitigation. Oh, dealing 6 after defense. Okay. Target defense. What did we set the target defense to? Or the enemy's defense value? 3. Okay. Oh, 2. Oh no. It's health, attack, defense. Okay. Maybe just give him a little buff. Oops, that's kind of a big buff. What you got? Oh yeah, you attacked me. 4, mitigation amount 1. I don't like. Am I doing the math wrong? What do I want this to be? Nope. Uh-oh. Oh, we're not done. Wait, how were you able to compile? Ah, dang it. Oh shit, okay. Target defense is 3. Okay, so mid does change. Okay, cool. Let's see. Where do I want to put that? So I guess that needs to be stuffed into the wait for player. I know that kind of looks weird, but we kind of just want to reset the state. Because the bug that I just saw there is that I defended one turn, and then the enemy defended, and then it was my turn again, and I attacked. And then after my attack was done, the enemy also attacked, but it triggered the defense stuff. So defense isn't getting reset properly. So that's what I'm fixing there. I guess I don't really need to do that here, but I don't know. Yeah. Perfect. Oh wow. Okay, so damage for 4 minutes. So they only did 2 damage. I mitted it for 7, which is great. And they did 1. Okay, a very similar thing happened again. Okay, so I'm gonna attack them, see what I do. 3, they mitted for 1, I did 4. And they attacked me for full amount. Good. Okay. You're gonna defend now too, aren't you? God damn it. 3. Oh, hey, they mitigated 3. Cool, okay, so that does change. What did they do? if they're going to defend. Okay, I mean, it's a coin flip right now, so I shouldn't be too surprised. Ooh, okay. So I think that's fine right now. I like that, where the floor is 1, so like defending it probably isn't very useful for lower enemy stuff, but like as I add more mechanics and you'll have like, I don't know, like a duration, like I have like three turns to cast this super big spell, right? That might be important, where I actually need to defend, because then it actually matters, or it could actually matter. So yeah, well, I got a lot done, I feel like. That's pretty good, makes me feel pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, so I think I've dealt with this structure pretty good. Turned all of this if else stuff into, I guess, just a more controlled if else. I'm not gonna really pat myself on the back. This didn't change at all. We were able to add this pretty easily, but we could have done that before pretty easily. Animating defend, I don't think we could have done. We would have had to do a lot more work, I think, with the old if else. This didn't change too much. Let's see. Process attack changed quite a bit. Yeah, the other thing though, too, I think, yeah, I don't know. I was just thinking for the process attack and process defend, we might want more tighter control over when we call those, instead of just like after animate attack. I think I do want it to play like actual animations as you do things. So if you could imagine like this, instead of it just like interpolating inside of the thing, it would like animate like a run over there, do like a slash or like a bonk or something, and then that's when the damage would happen, and then you would jump back or run back or whatever. That's just what I was thinking in my head. And so for that to happen, we would need tighter control over animations. And I'd probably want like a standardized like animation thing, at least for melee attacks. Yeah, I don't know. I'm unsure what to do next. I think I'm gonna try to get like multiple battles going. So once this dude dies, right, like once this is 0, we do like an evaluation. Maybe we have an end turn for that to see who died. And then you go on to the next. Maybe I give you like a health point and then you go on to the next or something like that. And we'll see how that feels. And then, or no, we'll just get the mechanics. We'll just get the mechanics for that working, and then we will scale the enemies and see how that feels. And then I think after that we have a very, very primitive prototype of what the end this RPG looks like, and then I can start thinking more about mechanics and how to make that more interesting, other than just the dudes get tougher, and just have a little more strategy in the combat with what abilities you have. So yeah, I think tomorrow we're gonna work on more of the I guess ending the battle, deciding who dies, or evaluating who has died, and then going on to the next thing. Oh, I only did a damage. Wow. Oh, he only did a damage. Okay, so yep. I think that's it for today. Like I said, I have some other stuff that I need to do. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna start actually getting the endless portion of the endless RPG implemented, and yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully, I didn't have time this Wednesday to stream. I was just busy with life. Hopefully next Wednesday I'll have time. Yeah, I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the stream. That's all I got. Bye bye.